Hey guys, so welcome back to a new episode. In this one we're looking at Apxt, and of course it is down today, and we're talking about why this could be, and of course if now is a potentially great time to be buying the dip, and all that kind of good stuff. So this video is containing all of my opinions for tomorrow, so of course it's more of a short-term look at the stock, but of course if you do enjoy, we do cover it every single day, so please leave a like and subscribe, it would be appreciated. And of course with that being said, I am obviously not a financial advisor, and please do remember that, please don't follow me blindly. Make sure to do your own research, but with that being said, we're not going to waste any time, we're going to jump straight into the video. So yeah guys, Apxt is a very interesting stock indeed. Obviously over the past 5 days we have seen a lot of volatility in the price. We're looking at a fully positive week for once, which is of course a great thing to see with this one. We are up by only about 4%, so not the biggest gains that we have been seeing on the market recently, but you know what, it is an increase. And of course if you've been following this one for a more long-term period, you'll know how significant this is, because it has been pretty dead for quite a long time. Because if you'd have bought in on the 4th of January and held all the way until about the 29th, you would have made only 0.1%, and that is of course abysmal. But looking at this one now, we are starting to see it hotten up a bit, but today has been quite negative, and we're going to be talking about why this is. And my personal reasoning for this is because yes, we have been seeing a big increase in this one, as people have been speculating that the results are going to be coming out for the S4 filings and also for earnings, and people are saying that they are probably going to be positive earnings, and of course the S4 filings are going to be positive anyway, because it basically officializes the merger, and that is what we need. But basically guys, they are not out yet as far as I am aware, and of course once they come out they will have a big effect, but obviously in the meantime the only thing which is carrying the stock is hype. That's not necessarily a bad thing, as we have seen a lot of hype carry stocks pretty high recently, but overall guys, with the factor not being there yet, obviously it was bound to sell off a bit in my personal opinion. But guys, you know what, I think in the next week or two, probably less even, we are going to see those S4 filings become official, and of course those earnings come out, hopefully at the same time, or at least around a similar time. And once they do happen guys, we already know that the price is definitely going to be on its way to rocketing. And the reason why I say that is because yes, it has been up quite a bit in the past few days, and that has been on the speculation of these S4 filings. And that is significant on its own, but please do bear in mind the fact that once this officially happens, once the filings are official, the price is bound to rocket in my opinion, because yes, obviously it has been carried up a lot by hype, but bear in mind, once these things become actually official, the real reason will be there, and of course it will give the stock a great reason to be carried a bit higher. So personally guys, in my opinion, I think that pre-merger, we are going to be seeing some great figures with this one, and today I think it is definitely a good time to buy the dip. Looking at this one tomorrow, I don't think it will grow by too much unless those important pieces of information do come out. And you know what guys, if it even goes down a bit, that is not the worst thing in the world, because yes, we could potentially lose money short term, but that's due to the fact that these pieces of important information are not yet available to the public. So of course it is a matter of time until they do come out, but once they do come out, they will have quite a big influence on the shares price, hopefully bringing us up a bit further. And of course once we do get that merger being officialized, we will definitely see the price continue to increase. So personally guys, in my opinion, I think now is definitely a decent time to buy the dip. I think tomorrow could be negative as well, but even if it is guys, I don't think it's too significant, as obviously yes, it could present a decent opportunity to buy the dip. But if you are holding the shares like I am not too concerned, because of course we are holding up until that merger date, or at least around that merger date, so that we can hopefully cash in some nice profits, and that is personally what I intend to do. So guys, tell me what you intend to do with Apxt down in the comments. I would love to hear what you have to say. I think tomorrow we'll hopefully see us either go down a little bit more or flatten out. I don't think that's the worst thing in the world, even if we were to go down, as of course this one has been carried up a lot recently. So you know what, it would potentially present a decent opportunity to buy the dip and hopefully get in with some more shares. That's just my personal opinion guys, but I'd love to hear yours below. So thank you for watching, see you in the next one, goodbye.